Good afternoon, this fine Easter Saturday. So today in our 30’s bungalow we are sorting out the front path, tidying it up, keeping the old paving stones, but we're edging with some brick block pavers. So I'll just turn the camera around. This is what we've done today. So I've reset the old paving first, okay, leveled it up, etc. And then we've put in mowing strip stroke paving surround using block pavers. Okay, so that's today's little job done. I'm going to carry it on all the way around the edge of the lawn, so it meets back up there, and then I've got this space here, so I'm going to frame that as well and put grass in there. But all these other flags just need levelling up and straightening out, and the gaps sorting out, but not a biggie. So put these on, dug down about 4 inches, put a couple of inches of dolly in the bottom, and then some sharp sand, tramped it down well, and then I've got a dry mix, to just set them on. So I hammer them in about 4 mil, so they are quite nicely set now. So obviously that'll go off itself overnight with a bit of moisture. But yeah, really pleased. So this will just smarten up the front. So that's it. So we're having a day off tomorrow. I'm probably going to go on Monday, see if I can't get down this edge done, and maybe I might actually go around the grass first. And then I bought a rotavator today, so I'm going to rotovate all the grass off, and then we're going to returf it, so it'll all look nice and smart. So have a happy Easter. See you on the next video. Bye.